Well, hello there beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day today. And today's video is going to be the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July 2019. I feel like it's crazy that it's already July, but this is a monthly subscription service. It is like their up thing, so you can do like a $10 Ipsy bag which has some like little sample stuff in it, or you can upgrade to the $25 a month box, which is what I did, and it is full-size products in here. I do pay for this box myself, but I'm pretty sure I have a referral link if you want to sign up down below. It's up to you. And now let's get into this video because I'm super excited to see what's in here this month. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, and so are 99% of the products in Ipsy. I think I've gotten one thing from Ipsy that wasn't cruelty-free, but most of it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. There's at least $100 worth of value in here for $25. Ooh, there's yellow foam. So this is the inside of the box. We got some yellow foam. That's different. I like that. So this is the Dive In box for 2019 July. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Alright, so in here it'll tell you a little bit about the products inside, and I will also leave the products full-size retail price on the screen for you. So first thing in here I see is something called Naked. So this is Naked Cosmetics. What is this? If it's not naked, it's not natural. That's so weird. It just says Naked Cosmetics. It doesn't tell you what it is. So let's open it up and find out. I broke the box. I hate that. I hate that so much. Oh, what the heck is this? Are these glitters? Okay, so these are a stack of loose pigments. So weird. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4 stack of loose pigments in here. It doesn't even say, like, if this is loose glitter or loose what. I don't know. It's just loose powder in here. So these are the powder colors. They're all neutral. Loose pigment stack. Kind of a weird thing in here. Let me see what the little thingy says. Okay, so it's a 4-piece pigment set valued at $40 from Naked Cosmetics. So weird. They're just loose powders. That's such a weird thing to get in a box. I haven't seen anything like that in a subscription box before, but this is the first thing in here. So weird. I will not get any use out of that probably. The next thing in here is from Perlis. Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. Lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshes and moistens. So let's find out what this is. That's cute. So this is the packaging for this one. Watermelon-y. I want to smell it. Can I smell it? It's sealed. I'm not going to smell it. Okay. So this is an Aqua Balm. It's a moisturizer basically with the benefits of watermelon. Moisturizes skin. Aloe vera to reduce inflammation. White tea to protect skin from cellular damage. Cucumber to soothe and firm skin. Nice. I like that very much. It sounds like a really good product. Beauty through Asian wisdom. Cool. I'm not mad about this. I love a good primer and a moisturizer. And this product retails for $45. I wouldn't pay $45 for it unless it's like the most amazing thing I've ever had in my life, and I doubt it is. So that seems expensive. Next up in here I see something from Hoonah. I'm very surprised to see that actually. So this is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Let me take this little plastic sleeve off. That's a tight fit. So this is the Hooter Palette. It's a highlighter palette. I have never tried a Hooter highlighter palette. This also is a very dark cover, so I'm like concerned. Oh crap. Okay. That's cute. That's a cute little screen thing in here. I can't wear any of these colors. So here's the highlighter palette. These colors are very dark. Even this one, which looks very bright on camera, is still not going to work on my skin tone. But here's the palette itself. It's pretty cute. Like I'm not... So you got a prep, set, sculpt, and flat flush. Pretty cute, kind of cool. I mean, I personally wouldn't use it because it's not my kind of color scheme, but I'm happy to see a Huda product in here because this is probably pretty expensive. This retails for $45. This is the Golden Sands one too, because I know there's different shades of this. But yeah, we got a Huda product. Not mad about that. Next up is two things. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this first thing. I'm excited about these two. These two things are gonna be my favorite things in here. Okay, so this is a Pixie Beauty. I love Pixie products. Glow Mist, and I have their Glow Mist, and I really like their Milky Mist the best. So, this is the, what is this one? Propolis and argan oil. I don't have this one, so this is the Glow Mist from Pixie. They have great glow mists. I love their primer glow mist. I love their setting spray. I love their milky mist for like skin hydration. Let's see how much this is. It's probably like $21, I want to say. $21. Ah! It doesn't say. It's the only thing on this card that's not in here. Oh, it's $15. So I am super excited about this one. I like this. I'm going to smell it. I'm going to go ahead and break the seal on this one because I love Pixie products. So I'm going to use the heck out of this. The only thing I don't like about this is, though, it looks very oily. Like, there's oils in here clearly, but you can see all the oil collect at the top. You gotta shake everything well. I'm gonna sniff it. Yeah, it smells like there's a bunch of oil in there, and I have to go out. I can't have my face all oily. It smells good. It has like a nice flower extract kind of smell to it. So I'm excited about this one. I just wouldn't spray this on my face if you're gonna go out in the heat. Alright, last thing in the box is something we've gotten in the BoxyCharm before, and something I quite enjoy, and I think it's a really good mascara. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It is one of my favorite mascaras I've ever tried, I must say. It's a really cool wand. It's a very narrow wand, like this. And then, this is the tube, which is very unique as well. So I like his superhero mascara. I'm not going to open it just so it doesn't go bad. You know, after you open a mascara, you only have 3 months to use it. And I have some mascaras I'm working on right now. But I'm super excited about the superhero mascara. I think it's a really good product. I don't like that the exact same thing we saw in BoxyCharm is in Ipsy. But at least BoxyCharm didn't do it twice, you know. So I'm not mad about it. Because not everybody gets both boxes. Like, not everyone spends $50 on subscription boxes a month, like me. But I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and talk about everything we got in the box. Although the retail price of this mascara is $24. So we got the It Superhero Mascara. I'm very excited about it. I think it's a good product. We have a Hooter Beauty highlighter palette, which is very pretty. I mean, it's probably not for me and my skin tone. If you have a medium or deeper complexion, it's probably going to work out really beautifully for you. We have a Pixie Glow Mist, which I'm very excited about. We also have a Naked, I don't like this, I don't know why this is in here, I don't get it. It's a Naked stack of loose pigments, like not about this for some reason. And then this watermelon like moisturizer, which I'm not mad about. I think it'd be pretty cool, and it says it has good ingredients in it, so. Oh, and it's free of parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, and animal cruelty. Cool. So everything in this month's box is cruelty free, which is awesome. And I must say I'm pretty happy with this month's box. Like, of course, the only things I'll probably get the most use out of is the Pixie product and the cosmetics thing. But I do think the Hooter Palette is really good for someone else, just not particularly me. I'm not mad about the moisturizer either. I might get some good use out of it. I just don't like the pigment stack. But everything else in here is pretty good, and I think it's a pretty good value for $25. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments section down below. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. If you're not subscribed already, I'd love to have you here. It'd be a good time. Bye guys!